Hi, I'm Paul from WFP Fire, Security and Electrical. Fixed wire testing, which is the common name for an EICR, is the inspection and testing of your building's electrical installation. It checks the wiring, distribution boards, sockets, lighting circuits, and anything that forms part of the fixed electrical system. The goal is to make sure it's safe, compliant, and not deteriorating in a way that could cause fire or electric shock. Over time, things loosen, age, or get overloaded. The aim of the EICR is to find these issues before they become a problem. We will then explain clearly what needs attention and what can be monitored. No jargon, no drama, just practical advice based on real testing. Most commercial and the rental sectors have their EICR every 5 years. However, there are lots of reasons for it to be carried out earlier than that, and some of our clients opt for 20% testing on an annual basis. The benefit to this is that you have oversight on an annual basis, and it's far easier than shutting down your building for the whole 100% test. If your EICR is due, or you need someone reliable to take care of it, you can contact us using the link on this page or call us on 01277 622 932.